everyone. As you know, after the completion of the graduation course, if anybody wants to go for the higher studies, at that time we need some kind of certificates. So today I will explain you the complete process and the related documents to apply for these certificates in our university, that is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University. So without wasting time, let's see the process one by one. First of all, we will discuss for the provisional certificate. So to apply for the provisional certificate, the first step is you have to do the application requesting for the provisional certificate to the controller of examination, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere. In this application, you have to state your name and PRN number. You have to mention the subject, that is application for provisional certificate, and detailed application you have to do. Next required document is no dues certificate. I have studied from that institute, you have to take your no dues certificate where you have completed your UG or PG course. Next one required document is your provisional certificate fee, that is 100 rupees fees. You have to pay it by online mode by using SBI Collect. So how to do this online payment by SBI Collect, that I will show you at the end of this video. So keep watching this video till the end. Next you require, that is scan copy of all the mark sheets with self attestation. So the format of self attestation, that also I will show you at the end of this video. So all these 4 documents, that is first one is your application stating name and PRN number, second is your no dues certificate, third is provisional certificate fee, that is 100 rupees fee you have to pay, and the receipt of that fees you have to attach. Next is the scan copy of all the mark sheet with self attestation. So all these documents we have to mail on this given email ID, that is provisionaldbatu@gmail.com. For any issue related to the payment, you have to contact to fo@dbatu.ac.in, and after completion of all this process, you can collect your provisional certificate from examination section after 7 working days. So this copy you will receive after 7 working days from the examination section. Only hard copy will be provided, no scan copy will be sent to any candidate. Next process is procedure or documents for your transcript certificate. So here also you have to do the application requesting for transcript certificate to the controller of examination. In this application also you have to mention your name and PRN number, and detailed application you have to write. Subject you have to mention, that is application for transcript certificate. Second document required, that is no dues certificate from the institute where you have completed your UG or PG, or you can also give the provisional certificate. Next is the fees required for this transcript certificate is 1000 rupees. That also you have to pay it by online by SBI Collect, and the receipt will get generated. That receipt also you have to attach over here. Next is scan copy of all the mark sheets with self attestation. So here also you need 4 documents. First one is application, no dues certificate or the provisional mark certificate, fee receipt, scan copy of all the mark sheets, and self attestation copy. So all these documents you have to collect and you have to send it by mail to the transcriptdbatu@gmail.com. For any issues related to the payment, you have to contact to fo@dbatu.ac.in. After completion of all this process, you can collect your transcript certificate from the examination section after 14 working days. So you can get your hard copy of your transcript certificate after 14 working days from examination section of DBATU. No scan copy will be sent to any candidate. Next procedure, it is for the document verification certificate. Here also you have to do the application requesting for document verification certificate to the controller of examination of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University. In this application you have to mention your name and PRN number. Second, you have to attach the document that to be verified with this application. Then you have to pay the document verification fees 500 rupees per student per document from online by SBI Collect, and you have to attach this receipt of this payment with the document to be verified with your application. All these documents you have to send to the given email ID, that is transcriptdbar2@gmail.com. Any issues related to the payment you can contact to fo@dbar2.ac.in. After completion of all this process, you can collect your verified document from the examination section after 7 working days. Next process is procedure for the medium of instruction certificate. For this, you have to do the application requesting for medium of instruction certificate to the controller of examination, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere. In this also you have to mention your name and PRN number. Second, you have to attach your scan or Xerox copy of final year mark sheet. After that, you have to pay the fee 100 rupees per student per document from online by SBI Collect, and the receipt of this fees you have to attach with your application along with scan copy of your mark sheet, and all these documents you have to send it by mail to at transcriptdbar2@gmail.com. And for any payment related issues you can contact to fo@dbar2.ac.in. After the completion of your process, you can collect your verified document from examination section after 7 working days. This is the procedure for medium of instruction certificate. Next process is procedure for the conversion certificate, that is when you want to get your percentage marks. At that time you can apply this conversion certificate, that is in this certificate you will get your CGPA conversion to percentage. For this certificate you have to do the application requesting for conversion certificate to the controller of examination, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere. In this also you have to mention your name and PRN number. Secondly, you have to attach the scan or Xerox copy of final year mark sheet. Then you have to pay the conversion certificate fee, that is 100 rupees fees you have to pay per student per document from online by SBI Collect, and you can attach the receipt of this payment with your application and final year copy of your final year mark sheet. All these documents you have to send it by email on transcriptdbar2@gmail.com. For any payment related issues you can contact to fo@dbar2.ac.in, and you can collect your verified document from examination section after 7 working days. Next process is procedure for the duplicate mark sheet. Here also you have to do the application requesting for duplicate mark sheet to the controller of examination, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere. In this application you have to mention your name and PRN number, semester for which the duplicate mark sheet you are required. Then you have to attach the scan or Xerox copy of mark sheet required if it is available. So Xerox copy if it is available with you, then you can attach it with this application. Next you have to pay the fees for your duplicate mark sheet, that is 100 rupees fees is given per mark sheet. This also you have to pay it by SBI Collect. Then you have to attach the receipt with your duplicate mark sheet application, and all these details you have to send on the given email ID, that is transcriptdbar2@gmail.com. For any payment related issues you can contact to fo@dbar2.ac.in, and after completion of this process you can collect your duplicate certificate from examination section after 7 working days. Next process is given for procedure for the duplicate degree certificate. In this also you have to do the application requesting for duplicate degree certificate to the controller of examination, stating your name and PRN number. Attach the scan or Xerox copy of your degree certificate if it is available with this application. Then you have to pay the fees, that is 500 rupees fees you have to pay it by SBI Collect. You have to attach the receipt with duplicate degree certificate application. Next document required for this process is FIR report. So original copy of FIR that also you have to attach here with this application. Next also you have to do the undertaking on bond paper of rupees 100. So this undertaking also you have to attach over here with for this duplicate degree certificate, and the copy of advertise given in the newspaper, that also you have to attach here with this application. So in case of advertisement in the newspaper, you have to give the advertise name of newspaper and date of newspaper when your advertise is published. So all these details you have to attach with this application. Also the copy of Aadhaar card is required, and all these documents you have to send it by email on transcriptdbatu@gmail.com. and for any payment related issues you can contact to fo@dbatu.ac.in. After all the completion of all these processes, you can collect your duplicate degree certificate from examination section. After 3 months, personally you have to go in the university and you have to take your duplicate degree certificate. So this is the process for duplicate degree certificate. Here you can see the overview of all the processes and documents along with its fees, and the required number of days for this process is given over here. For provisional certificate, the application, no due certificate, payment receipt, scan copy of all the mark sheets and self attestation is required. So the documents are same for transcript certificate. For provisional certificate, fees is given 100 rupees, and you can collect your provisional certificate after 7 working days from your university. For transcript certificate, 1000 rupees fees is given, 14 days are required. After 14 days of your date of application, you can collect it from university. Next is document verification certificate. Here the documents are given: application, document to be verified, and payment receipt you have to attach. Fees is given 500 rupees. Number of days required to get your document verification certificate is 7. Next is medium of instruction certificate and conversion certificate. So for these two certificates, the documents are same, that is application, xerox of your final year mark sheet, and payment receipt. Payment is 100 rupees for both the certificates, and 7 days are required after the date of application. After 7 working days, you can collect these certificates from university. For duplicate mark sheet, you have to attach the document, that is application, xerox of mark sheet, payment receipt, 100 rupees fees you have to pay, and after the date of application, after 7 working days, you can collect your duplicate mark sheet. Next is duplicate degree certificate. For duplicate degree certificate, the documents required are application, xerox copy of your degree certificate if it is available, payment receipt, FIR copy, undertaking on bond paper of 100 rupees, copy of advertise in the newspaper, copy of Aadhaar card is required, and fees is given, that is 500 rupees. And after the application, you have to wait for 3 months. After 3 months, you can collect the hard copy of your duplicate degree certificate from university. So this is the overview of all the processes, documents, fees, and number of days. After that, we will see the format for your self attestation. So here you can see the annexure B is given, self declaration and self attestation copy. So in this format, you have to prepare your self attestation copy. Now we will see how we can do the payment by online SBI Collect. So directly I will show you the live demo for this process. First of all, you have to search for onlinesbi.com. On this website of onlinesbi.com, you have to click on this option, that is SB Collect. After clicking on this option of SB Collect, these terms and conditions are given. You have to read all these terms and conditions, and then you have to click over here, that is I have read and accepted the terms and conditions which are stated above. After accepting these terms and conditions, click on proceed. Here you have to select the state of corporate or institution. So here I am selecting the state, that is Maharashtra. After that you have to select the type of your corporate or institution. So here the option is given, that is educational institutions, that you have to select over here and then click on go. Here the educational institutions name are given. Out of that you have to select for Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University. So here you can see the option is given Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University. This you have to select. Then click on submit. Here again the payment gateway option is given. So here you can select the type of your fees. Either you are applying for provisional certificate, transcript certificate, verification fees or migration fees, or if the option is not given for your required certificate, then you can choose the option that is examination fees. After selecting the examination fees, you will get this form. So here in this form you have to enter your details, that is first name, middle name, last name, your enrollment number, the program you have to choose, that is your course. So here only the 4 courses are given. If your respective course is not present in this list, then here in the other particulars or in the remark you can mention your actual course. After that you have to select your semester, phone number, email ID you have to enter your mobile number, email ID, particulars, that is which certificate you want and for which certificate you are applying. Here you have to enter the other particulars, that is for which you are going to pay the fees. So here the options are given, that is transcript fees, provisional certificate fees, duplicate marksheet fees, duplicate certificate fees, examination fees and other is given. If the certificate for which you are going to apply, if it is not present in this list, you can click on other. In the other particulars you can mention the name of your required certificate. Fees you have to mention over here, whatever the fees is given that we have seen earlier, that fees you have to mention over here, and in the remark you can also mention the other required information. Here again you have to mention your name, date of birth, mobile number, email ID, and you have to enter the text which is given in this image. This text you have to enter over here and then you have to click on this submit button. After submission of this form, you will be directed to the online payment mode options. After completion of your online transaction, you will receive the receipt. That receipt you have to download it and you have to attach it with your application during the process of your application for various certificates. So in this way you can do the online payment on this site, that is onlinesbi.com, by using SB Collect. Link for this online payment is also given in the description box. You can check it. For any query you can ask me in the comment section. If you want any other process, you can put a message in the comment box, so I can definitely try to give you that process. Thank you so much for watching this channel.